Hello guys, welcome to Queries Resolved. In today's segment, we'll see how to fix the missing DLL file errors which shows up whenever we try to run a newly installed software on our system. This error mainly occurs when we try to run a newly installed game on our PC. So this will be very helpful for all the gamers out there who are facing the DLL file error. For instance, I recently installed this game, The Wolf Among Us, and when I tried to run this one, I faced the problem of the missing DLL file error. The error that popped up says that the code execution cannot proceed because the following DLL file was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix the problem, but in fact the reinstallation will not help out us in any way. All we have to do is download the missing DLL file. So without further ado, let's see the process of solving this issue. So first we'll open our browser and then in the search bar we'll type Microsoft Download Center and hit enter. Now click on the first link that appears here. I'll provide this link in the description as well. So now we'll click on this and now we'll go to the top right corner and click on the search icon, and then in the search bar we'll type DirectX End User Runtime and hit enter. Now we'll click on the first link that appears here and now we'll scroll down. Here I have left the language as English. You can change it to your preference and then click on download. We have downloaded our setup file. Now we'll open it and now we are into our DirectX setup wizard. Click on I accept and then click on next. Now uncheck this option of install Bing bar and then click on next. Our components are being initialized for installation. Now we'll click on next and now we can see the download has begun. So our download is done. Now begins the installation of our missing files. Finally our installation is complete. So now we'll click on finish, close our browser and check whether the file error is being resolved or not. So now I'll head over to my game folder and try to check whether my game is able to launch or not. So I'll open it and yeah, we see that my game is launching now without any file error, specifically speaking DLL file error, and I look forward to enjoy this game now. Let me know how many of you have played this game in the comment section below. It'll be fun to know that. So guys, that was the solution for your missing DLL file errors. Simple, easy and legit. If you found the video useful and something that you are looking forward to, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my previous videos, they are pretty interesting as well. And if you have any queries, feel free to post them in the comment section below. That's all for today guys. This is Vikram Parikh signing off. Your queries, my solutions. Thank you.